Okay, right, correct. Ragi Devi Harshita. Please respond,
Harshit,
Anna.
Harshit Reddy, sir.
Let mute.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, tell me, sir.
you separate percent or otherwise in the group.
Sir,
My WhatsApp number, you send my WhatsApp number, or otherwise in the science group.
group, sir.
Group, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir, group not there, sir. In group, anyone's not there, sir.
Group, I didn't see group in the group.
Sir, no
Sir,
one kept in group, sir.
not there, sir.
Survey Java also, I didn't see.
Kept in your personal number, sir.
I didn't get
M. Karan,
I complete sir. No.
SV Kritik Tejas, M. Karan, Govardhan Datta, Isa. 3 members. Remaining all, I didn't see.
Sir, I don't
Sir,
did
homework,
not
sir.
check the health center now.
If anyone didn't kept, sir.
Sir, completed, sir.
Completed means you are
Sir,
keeping.
I
Sir,
completed, but
keeping,
I
sir.
didn't
No more looking.
What is the use now?
forwarded it also.
Before only you have to send, no?
Sir, I thought that today I will check, sir.
Whenever you send, immediately I
Yes,
check.
sir. Me too, sir.
Respond also. I respond whatever you write, whatever you written. Some members like Govardhanata something. Some members are not draw diagrams properly. Yes sir, no, Govardhanata.
Sir, I drawn, but you some something went wrong, sir. That's why you
Practice I told.
sir, you told to practice diagrams, sir.
See, out of 40, out of 60, 27 members per okay, right. Now, Mayank Agarwal, unmute yourself. Mayank Agarwal, unmute yourself, Nana. Mayank. Mayank Agarwal, please unmute yourself. Mayank. Remove your hands, Nana. Remove your hands. Only 3 members will get marks, Nana. Internal marks.
Sir,
Karan,
Sir, I have forwarded.
Sir, I wrote I will send sir now.
So you wrote means keeping in with you means what is the use, Nana? You have to send to me, no? I already mentioned.
Sir, in group access sending now, sir.
Remove, Nana. Please remove your hands first. Karan, Akshay Sriranga.
Sir, I forwarded in group, sir. No.
First remove your hand first. Yeah. Mayank Agarwal, please unmute yourself, Nana. Mayank. If you are not respond, I'll remove. Please, once again, I'm calling Mayank Agarwal. Please unmute yourself. Yeah. Yes, Gordinath, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Gordinath. Yeah. Here, Gordinath, one question to you. What are the biology topics in 10th class?
Sir,
Biology
sir,
topic. Biology topic.
biology chapter, sir.
Yeah.
Life processes, control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce, heredity and evolution, and our environment.
Total how many?
1, 2, 3, 5, sir. 5.
Management and natural resources also comes under our biology only. Okay, na?
Sustainable management, sir.
Management of natural resources.
Okay, sir. So total 6 chapters, sir.
Yeah. In this, I am asking the questions from
Good morning.
these 4 chapters. First one, life process, control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce, heredity and evolution. From these 4 chapters, today I am going to ask the questions now. Please, all of you, remember to whom I'll call. Only that person only unmute and tell the answer. Sir, shall I? No need. You will get the chance. Each and every person should get the chance. And please cooperate. Akshay Sriranga.
Yes, sir.
Akshay Sriranga,
Yes, sir.
life process lesson is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Life process lessons are there. In that life process lesson, how many systems we discussed?
So digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system.
Nervous system we discussed in the life
Control
process.
and coordination. Control and coordination, sir.
What I asked.
Sir, only life process, digestive system, respiratory system,
Uh,
circulatory system, nephron,
digestive system, respiratory system,
circulatory,
circulatory system. Next,
excretory system,
excretory system.
and structure of nephron.
Okay. So here, transportation in plants means a circulatory system. In the
Sir, both
transportation,
in animals and plants, sir.
yes, okay, Nana. Transportation in plants. What are the tissues helps to transport the materials in the plant?
Sir, materials, phloem, sir. And water, xylem.
Xylem and phloem.
Xylem and phloem.
Yeah. Xylem and phloem. These two are helps to transport the material from one part of the plant body to another part of the plant body. Okay. What is the use of the excretion in plants?
Sir, it releases carbon dioxide, sir. And it makes,
Releases carbon dioxide.
sir, releases oxygen, sir.
You
Sorry,
never
sir.
need to
Sir,
know
confused,
carbon
sir.
dioxide.
Sir, కాదు sir, అది చెప్తుంది confused. Sir, కాదు sir. Sir, it takes carbon dioxide and releases oxygen.
Okay. What is the use of excretion in plants? I asked.
Sir, to make the food. To release waste material, sir.
My question is, once you listen carefully, what is the use of excretion in plants? That's all. What you know about that, whatever you know Understand the question, whatever you know, tell. That's all. Is it correct or wrong afterwards?
Yes, sir.
Question is, what is the use of excretion in plants?
Sir, to make food, sir.
Okay.
Sir, to get excess of water, sir. By
Hmm. 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 Yes.
sir,
Now,
it will produce water as a respiratory product.
Rishikesh Reddy. Rishikesh Reddy. Rishikesh Reddy, unmute yourself, Nana.
Sir.
Yeah. Respond and respond. Tell the answer.
Don't know, sir.
What is the use of excretion in plants? Yes, Nana. Ragi. Arshita.
Sir, sir, excretion
Hmm. Continue.
is
Continue.
done by the when excretion is taking place in the plants. They can maintain the temperature of the plant. They can regulate the temperature of a whole plant by releasing the water through the stomata by the process of transpiration, and
Okay.
by roots the
One
waste.
is to keep their body cool or control the or regulating the body temperature of the plant. Okay.
Pressure.
Next.
The, the next by the root nodules, the waste materials are released to slow down the root pressures.
Okay. What is the use of that?
Sir, by that the roots can absorb more water for the photosynthesis process.
Okay. Next.
Uh,
Only two is there.
sir,
Only two are there.
don't know, sir.
Okay, right. Okay. Mute yourself. SV Kritik Tejas.
Sir, the plants excrete oxygen to balance the ecosystem, sir. As we release carbon dioxide and they release oxygen, the ecological balance will be happening in the environment.
Okay. Plants releasing the oxygen. This oxygen is helps to live other than plants. Plant living other than the living other than the plants. Okay. Means animals. It is helpful to animals. Okay. Next.
And the plants excrete waste substances into soil, which help to retain the soil fertility, and it helps as like a manure, sir.
Yes. This is the correct. Another one, what is it? The plants is excreting some type of materials from their body. These materials helps to increasing the soil fertility. Okay, then next. Next.
And they can also grow height by the transpiration, sir. If transpiration occurs,
Okay,
the plant
regulating the
will get.
body temperature. Already Harshita told regulating the body temperature. Okay, next. There. So they are excreting some leaves in a certain seasons. For what purpose? Some plants are
Sir, the leaves fall off so that in some winter season the leaves fall off and to retain the energy, sir, and it will become a decomposed manure.
Yes, increasing the soil fertility over that is Nana. What purpose they are? The leaves are fall down from the plant. In a certain season only it will fall down. For what?
Sir, because in a winter season there will be more sunlight will be not present, no, sir. Then excess of energy will not come to the plants. They will fall off some leaves, sir.
Excess of energy.
Will not be obtained by the plants, sir, because heavy sunlight will not be there in winter season.
Hmm.
So the leaves will shed, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one more point. Sir,
Yeah. Tell me, Nana.
sir, waste is also released from the stem like gum and resin, sir.
Yes. Resins. For example, sap. Sap is released by the rubber plant. This is used to, for what purpose? To prepare the rubber. Already you know the ink. Sap. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Respond.
Sir.
Sap is released by the plants only, rubber plant. Rubber plant is releasing the sap from their stem. Okay. And so many plants are releasing some type of a liquid type of materials. These are using for different purposes. Some are using the medicines. For example, those who are having the excess of pains on their bodies, if they will drink such type of juice, plant juice, automatically they will cure by the different types of joint pains. Okay. And some plants, yes, some plants are using in the medicines. Resin, they are using the resins. Okay, Ayurvedic medicines. So these all are here is there. Once you see, listen, only one para, so many points are there. I think page number 112. Page number 112. Only I think 5 or 10 lines are there. In between 5 or 10 lines. In that only so many points are there. Listen, Nana, read, Nana. So they will ask in the examination, board examination, indirectly. Direct they won't ask. Direct questions very few. Please remember, in the board exams, direct questions very few are there. Indirectly they will ask the questions. Indirectly they will ask the questions. Please remember this point. Yes, Nana, please mute yourself. And next, after Arshit, Rakesh B.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah, please, who's that?
Sir, all are useful, sir, and some are not useful, no, sir.
See, whatever the plants are present on the land, or which plants are, or how many plants are living on the land, all are not useful. Only few are useful. Okay,
Sir,
na?
how can we identify?
So, most probably, we don't know which plants are useful to us. Those who are, means, are early mans. Those who know about the homeopathy, allopathy, Ayurvedic, that persons, they know very well about the plants.
Yes, sir.
Even some plants, for example, those who are living in the Africans, actually after 30 years, they are living in the jungle itself, in the forest itself. After the 30 years, they will take one type of plants roots they will eat. Actually, old people are not present in that area, in a certain area. Old people are not present because of after 30 years, automatically daily some amount of roots of the plants are they are taking. These roots of the plants slowly, it will become into poison in our body and they will die. Okay. So in that area, there is no old mans. Only younger people are living in that area. Means here also it's a dangerous. The root of the plant is dangerous. Useful means in that area they are the useful. The plants are useful in that area, but we are not using that such type of plant roots. Yes or no? A liquid like a white liquid we are selling in the market. Okay, drugs, that is a kallu, Ita kallu, Tati kallu, we are calling. Yes or no? We are taking here, but maybe in some people are not using such type of materials. Means in some way useful, some are useful, some are unuseful. But which one is useful, we don't know. But those who know about these persons, homeopathy, okay, allopathy, not allopathy, total is made up of chemicals only. Okay, these persons, they know very well about the plants. Okay, even in some peoples, most of the persons are using these plant products to decrease the or to control their diseases. To control their diseases, they are using the plant and plant products. Maybe it is a powder like structures, or maybe directly leaves. Okay, na? That is about that one. Na? Please, next person, Tarun B. Rakesh, please unmute yourself. Rakesh. Rakesh. अरे मुझे राकेश तेरा ही
Hello, sir.
respond. Question to you. Question is, how is the amount of urine produced regulated? How is the amount of urine produced regulated? How is the amount of urine produced regulated? Means in our body, the urine is producing. How it is regulating? Yes, Rakesh, please respond, Anna. Otherwise, I don't know who is.
I don't
Yes,
know, sir.
to Govardhan Datta.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Yeah.
The amount of urine produced depends on the amount of water, sir. When we drink the water, then it is dissolved in the body, and which waste present in the body, other factors such as habitat and hormones, sir, and also regulates the amount of urine produced. When excess of water is more in body, dilute urine is excreted, whereas when the excess of water is less, the urine is concentrated.
Okay. The less amount of water if you drink, the whatever we are releasing the urine, that is a concentrated urine is present. If the water is taken more in our body, into our body, automatically the concentration of urine is reducing. Here, what is the use of water in our body? Datta, mute yourself and giving chance to Tarun A.
Sir, to circulate our body, sir, blood circulation, it helps in blood circulation.
Who is telling answer?
A Tarun, sir.
A Tarun, unmute yourself and tell.
Yes, sir, it helps in circulating of blood, sir.
Circulating of blood purpose, the water is useful, na?
Sir, కళ్ళు తిరిగి పడిపోకుండా సార్ టు నాట్ ఎవాపరేట్ సార్.
Huh? Wrong na Arun. Tarun. A Tarun wrong. Prithvi Bhargav, unmute yourself. Prithvi,
Sir,
tell me.
sir, sir, water carries as it carries the nutrients to all parts of body, and it also allows the unnutriated food and wastage to carry out back to the excretion parts, and it also carries the toxins and other nutritious food back to the excretion parts, and it maintains the body temperature.
Yes. Mainly, Nana, water, it helps to digest the food material. One, digest the food material.
Okay, sir.
And controlling our body temperature. Second, controlling our body temperature. Third one, removal of toxic materials whatever present in our body through, maybe it is as a urine or maybe as a sweat. Okay, removal of toxic substances in our body through the urine or by the sweat. Okay, now these three are very, very important. Remaining all, whatever the transportation is present, okay, this transportation is doing blood. Whatever the materials are present or whatever the nutrients are present in the digested food, that nutrients absorbed by the villi and sending to the blood vessel. Blood is supplying the nutrients to each and every part of the body. Okay, here the water is not involving, but water is useful to digest the food material. Okay, to digest the food material and maintaining the body temperature and removal of toxic substances or whatever the concentrated toxic substances are present in our body, it will be regulating or otherwise balancing or otherwise neutralizing. Okay, na? Okay, na? No one is responding.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Yes, sir. Sir, but no use for blood, sir.
Nana, tell me, Nana. In the blood, what substances is present, Nana? No need. Already it is present. Okay, the blood, what substances is present. In the blood also, what is there? Blood also, what is there? But who is in the blood? Hemoglobin is present. Hemoglobin is bonding or binding with the oxygen particles and supplying to each and every part of the cell, our body cells. Okay, and remaining carbon dioxide is also taking and sending to the remaining sending to the lungs.